Hi guys, welcome to day 7 of Python learning. Today we'll see the concept of polymorphism. So the name suggests that poly means multiple forms. So we are going to discuss how a method will behave in different forms when it is called through different objects. So let's take an example of if we have three pets, let's say a cat and a dog and a cow. So if we give a command called speak, the cat may say in its own form, the dog may bark and the cow may say moo. But our command is same, but the output is different. Since the objects, let's consider each pet as an object. So if the object is different, even though the command is same, the method will behave in a different form. So let us see how we can do it in the form of code. Let's create a class called country. So it will have a small method called capital. So we'll pass our initial parameter self and we'll do a print. The capital of United States is Washington. Let's create another class. So this is called Florida, and we'll inherit our parent class country, and here we'll have a method called capital, and this method will print the capital of Florida is Tallahasse. Now we'll have another class called and we'll also try to inherit the country class here. And we'll create a method called capitals, and we'll print something called we'll have another class called and we'll try to inherit the country class, and we'll have a method called capital, capital of New Hampshire is Concord. So we have a main class called country, and we have three subclasses. Every subclass kind of inherited from the main class. So now we'll create an object. Let's say this is a Florida object. Object is equal to we'll inherit from Florida. We are not passing any parameter here, argument here. We'll try to print So here, even though we inherited the method capital from the country class, we created an object from Florida class. So the capital is getting printed as the capital of Florida is Tallahassee. So what I'm trying to say is the method will behave differently when it is called explicitly from a different class. So let's create a different object called country underscore object is equal to country. Here country object dot capital. We'll try to comment this. So if we are explicitly calling the class from the main class, it will get printed whatever value is present in the class. But if we are creating an object from the child class, so the class and the methods present in that class will behave differently. Thank you.